Well, look who's down there, clumsy painted pumpkin. Oh, please, Mr. Carved Pumpkin, you're so sharp. We all know I'm the king of the pumpkins, the centerpiece of Halloween. Well, you do know you're a bit too full of yourself. Bet you pumpkins can't do that, you carved pumpkins. You're hollow. You try getting all your innards carved out. You know, people carve their dreams into me. I'm the ultimate centerpiece. I can wobble, what can you do? Yeah, I can light up a room with my lightly candle. Your little weak LEDs. Guess what? They're not throwing me out. Well, guess what's up here? The sharps, they're gonna carve you out and take your brains out. Ha 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 ha!